Hello everyone, this is me ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question, and the question is: Good day. I'm currently running a Google Ads campaign for an airport transfer service. Question: If I add a fixed rate promo code to my ads, will this possibly increase clicks and bookings? So the question is good, and that it means that you are generously concerned regarding how you can increase your clicks and bookings. Okay, to increase clicks and bookings, the first strategy is to have a very highly structured, optimized, well-maintained campaign with a highly dedicated, relevant landing page or a group of landing page with a group of keywords with have CDA call to actions differently explaining to people to buy it out, buy it out. So that can do wonders if you add such landing page combined with a very optimized campaign, targeting on the peak timings, peak keywords, intent, and try to understand ad extension. So one such extension is fixed rate promo. For those who don't know fixed rate promo, how you can add, just simply move to the ad assets, and you can see over here promotion or price cap. Once you see it, let me even show you an example as well so you have an idea. So you can see over here that this is a promo code something like this, $20 off, a valid deal. Okay, something like this. Okay, yes, definitely it can bring more relevancy, eye catching, grabby, user gets to tend to see, because not all of the competitors have done such thing. And I have seen for majority of our clients that adding this can increase results, CTR, and possible interest, and eventually people end up buying more from those ads which has such extension added. So my recommendations are definitely with ad. You can see over here again, so very eye attractive and catchy. So if you ask me or my opinion, I definitely recommend you to add it, and it's definitely going to increase your clicks and bookings. So good luck with your service. In case if you need me or my team services regarding management of Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, just your web development services or digital marketing services, the details are in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you.